Hey everyone, so here we have our new project, our 2014 Mercedes Sprinter, long wheelbase. Bought it a couple of weeks ago, been sat on the drive, been away on holiday, so now we're going to start doing conversion into a full-blown motorhome over the next couple of months. So we already have a VW transporter van that we've been using for the last 3 or 4 years. Fully converted that one, but just needed a bit more headroom. Can't stand up in the transporter, we don't have a pop top on top of that. And just if we're doing a little bit more long-term travel, we just need a little bit more room. A couple of weeks away, it's not always nice to have to do everything on your knees, so that's the reason why we're going for the Sprinter. At the moment we've got both vans. The idea is to replace this one, replace the Sprinter, the transporter with the Sprinter, so hopefully by the end of the year we will have this fully converted and ready to go. So as you can see at the moment, it's just a standard panel van, fly lined inside. Going to be ripping all this out. It's our first job to do. The first job we've already done is to take down the bulkhead. Removing the bulkhead is quite easy. Just take out a series of bolts around the top here, and then this allows you to have full access into the cab. We're going to keep this open, maybe put a curtain up in between. Don't know yet, got a few ideas for what to do. As you can see, quite a few bolts to take the bulkhead out of the floor of the van. So the plan is to have a folded bed at the back going across the van, and then different design ideas for coming out along here. Still trying to work those out, but they'll be in subsequent videos. Going to be putting in fan, maybe 2 on the top, and then solar on the roof as well. So next couple of months, follow us doing it with that.